Okay, so now we are starting from where we left on day one of auction. So after 13 rounds, so this is how the teams look like. So we are starting with round number 14. So before we start round number 14, so my obvious question. So anyone wants to use the Joker card?
I want to use.
I want to use it.
Okay.
I said it first, and you know why.
No, Sanjay and Vaibhav. So Sanjay gets the chance. So,
I'll use it against Anuj.
yeah, Sanjay wants to use it against Anuj. So yes, man. So like this is the best use of Joker card in this auction because Anuj had rank 1 and Sanjay had rank 9. So
Oh man.
Oh my God.
Oh man.
So
ये fix है
Like,
यार.
I have a
This was
doubt.
fixed, I guess. This was fixed.
no, man. So Sanjay, you can go first and you can pick your first pick.
Yeah, I'll go for Lalit Yadav.
Nice one. So next is Rivanshu.
Yes, finally. So I'll take Cameron Green.
Nice one. So third pick will be made by Vaibhav. Yeah, Vaibhav. So you're not audible.
I'll pick the KKR captain.
Okay.
Oh no.
Yeah,
was about to
you know,
pick.
I asked Deep. I said, किसी ने कैसे नहीं लिया? वो retire हो गया, उसको क्या हो गया है? Owen Morgan.
So lucky you didn't get to play the Joker card.
Yeah.
So now next is Varun.
I had a bit of a gamble between two players, but let's go with DJ Bravo.
Oh. So another all-rounder in Varun's squad. Man. So now next one is Naman.
Alex Hills.
Yeah.
Nice.
Now Naman got my hint.
Yeah.
So now let's move on to Yatharth.
Karun Nair.
Yeah. Some stability in the middle order. So let's. So after Yatharth, now we will move to Ashish.
Sandeep Lamichhane.
Nice pick, bro.
Looks like every team owner has done some nice homework. After Ashish, we have Romit.
Venkatesh Iyer.
Nice. So now Anuj.
Rahul Tripathi is there? Rahul Tripathi.
No, he's.
Mandeep Singh.
Yes, nice one. So now we will move on to the last buy in this particular round, and Nikhil.
Well, this was one of your hints, Shaheen Shah Afridi.
Oh, so
Yeah.
Nikhil gets it finally.
Oh.
Well, I was last. I was wondering that no one else takes it, and I was successful at it. So yeah.
Right.
Like I could not guess him.
Congrats, bro. Congrats.
Finally, I can see two of my players getting sold in this round, Shaheen Shah Afridi and Alex Hales. So let's see what happens to my remaining three players. So now let's move on to round number 15. So before we start, so anyone wants to use the devil card?
Yeah, me.
Yeah.
Yes, I have a doubt. Like if I play a devil card against someone, will he be not able to pick him, or any other also will not be able to pick him?
No, only that particular owner will not be able to pick the player.
Okay.
Yeah. So you are playing against?
No, I'm not playing.
I'm playing.
Yeah.
No,
So
I'm playing.
you are
I'm playing my double card against Varun for Kedar Jadhav.
Nice. So now anyone wants to use the Joker card?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Anuj and anyone else?
Me, Vaibhav.
Anuj and Vaibhav. So yeah, so Anuj can play.
Stop.
So I want to use with Yatharth.
Nice. So this time you got lucky. So from sixth position, you are now moving to third position.
चलो बढ़िया.
So we are starting with round number 15, and Rivanshu, you have to make the first pick.
Tim Seifert, is he available?
No.
Yes.
No.
He's sold. He's sold.
He's sold. I guess.
He's sold.
Yes.
Sandeep Sharma, is he available?
Yes.
Nice.
अरे यार.
So now second pick in this round, Nikhil.
Yeah. I will take Murugan Ashwin.
Yeah. So
Nice one, bro.
he got my hint. So now let's move on to Anuj.
Ajinkya Rahane is available.
Yes.
Ajinkya Rahane.
So now let's move on to Naman.
Yeah, I will go with Paji.
You're buying
Balaji.
Sachin Baby.
Not Balaji,
No,
Bhaji.
No, Baby. Sachin Baby.
Okay.
अच्छा Sachin Baby.
I just want to give this clue. All hail. Please.
I got it.
Unadkat.
Yeah, he's already sold. Yeah.
The next is Varun.
Unadkat is so.
No, Unadkat.
Umesh Yadav.
Nice.
Nice.
You owe me for this, Varun.
So now let's move to Yatharth.
I'm going for Siddharth Kaul.
Nice pick.
So all Sunrisers Hyderabad bowlers are getting sold. So let's see. Now we'll move to Romit.
Khalil Ahmed.
Khalil is sold, man.
Again a Sunrisers.
Khalil is already.
Oh, Khalil is already
Take
picked.
Basil Tampe.
Bro, Varun Aaron ले ले.
No, I'll fill my overseas slot. I'll take James Faulkner.
अरे
James
एक slot है रोमे तेरे पास अभी एक हमारे पास एक शायद एक slot हाँ जो भोगना लिया है
So
Instead,
Romit's
Hazelwood, bro.
overseas slots are filled. So
Yeah.
now we will move to Sanjay.
Yeah, I'll take Sheldon Jackson.
Nice.
And then we'll move to Vaibhav.
Yeah, I'll take Karan Sharma.
Nice again.
अरे but Deep, what's the thing with the clown card? This time I was in the latter half, so I didn't get picked. But in the first time I was third, but still I didn't get the chance to use it.
No. So if so in the preference order, if your turn comes first, then you get to play that Joker card.
So last time तो चल कोई नहीं कोई.
हाँ. Okay. So Ashish, you're the last one.
One more doubt. Do we need to have a backup wicket keeper?
No. But
Why
when
not?
we analyze the squads, we will see whether you have a backup wicket or not. So now, Ashish, it's your turn.
Akash Singh.
Okay.
Nice.
So we are done with 15 rounds. So only 3 rounds are left. So before we start round number 16, anyone wants to use the devil card? No. So Joker card.
Yeah.
I'll use it. I'll use it
Yeah, I
again.
want to use it.
So Ashish wants to use, Yatharth wants to use, and
Vaibhav.
Vaibhav wants to use. So yes, Vaibhav, you can use it. So
I'll use it against Yatharth.
Come on, yaar.
Bad luck, man. Bad luck. So from second position, now you are moving to 7th position, and
Oh yes.
moving to second position. So okay, we can start. Sanjay, you're the first one in this.
Suchit, Jagdish, Suchit.
Nice. Yeah, Yatharth, it's your turn.
Riddhiman.
Nice. So now we'll move to Naman.
Virat Singh.
Okay. If not Virat Kohli, then So next is Varun.
You have any options for wicket keepers, Indian wicket keepers, anyone?
I have options for foreign wicket keeper if you want. 2 options.
Josh Philippe.
No, Indian. Okay. Let's go with Azharuddin.
No, he's sold, man.
Azharuddin is sold.
Sold? Damn it. Then who is there, man? I need a wicket keeper.
You can pick Aditya Tare. Aditya Tare is good.
Riddhiman Saha.
He's taken.
Shrivas Goswami is good.
Yeah.
Riddhiman Saha.
I picked him, yeah.
Okay.
Let's go with Aditya Tare.
Okay. So now we'll move to Romit in this round.
Ishan Porel.
Nice one.
Yeah,
Nice. Great talent to watch.
So next is Ashish.
Vishnu Solanki.
And now we'll move to Vaibhav.
Ankit Rajput.
Nice. I thought Unadkat will get sold before Ankit Rajput, but I guess I was wrong. So next is Nikhil.
My next pick would be Manan Vora.
Is he available? I think so.
Yes, he is.
Yeah, I think so. Yes. So after Nikhil in this round, we have Anuj.
Vipul Sharma. He used to play for Hyderabad. So Sunrisers Hyderabad. Is he available?
Yeah.
Is he playing?
But I think I checked Vipul Sharma's age. He has retired. I think he used to play for Punjab. He doesn't play for Punjab anymore.
So he's not there, right?
Right. So if other owners agree, then we can allow this.
You can pick Praveen Tambe.
Praveen Tambe cannot play in IPL due to certain, I guess, contract issues. So I will be going with Jaydev Unadkat then if he is available.
He's always available, man. Now, last one is Revanshu in this round.
I have just one overseas slot left, I guess, if you can check.
Yes.
So is Steve Smith available?
Yes.
Yeah, Steve Smith.
Liam is also available. Revanshu also available.
Revanshu just.
No, I want a backup for Babar Azam, so I am taking Steve Smith.
Okay, so only Nikhil and Vaibhav have one overseas slot left. So now we are done with round number 16 and we are moving to round number 17. Yes. So in round number 17, anyone wants to use the Joker card? Yeah, Yatharth wants to.
Yes, I also want to.
Yeah, Yatharth, Sanjay, and
Naman.
Naman. So yeah, Sanjay, you get to use it.
I use it against
Me.
Romit.
Bad luck, man. So Romit will now play second in this round, and you will play 8. So
Lucky fella.
yeah, so let's start with round number 17. So Rivanshu, you're the first one to go.
I don't know, man. Can I go third or fourth? I don't mind doing that.
Give me your chance.
Okay. So,
Give me, bro.
So let's start with Romit then.
Is Kedar Jadhav sold?
No.
No, he's available.
Okay, Kedar Jadhav.
So after Romit, we have Ashish.
I will go with Dhruv Shore.
Nice. So after Ashish, we have Yatharth.
I'll go with Piyush Chawla.
No, Chawla is sold, man.
Piyush Chawla is sold, I think.
Sold, bro.
No, he is not sold. I think.
I have taken him.
Mayank Markande, is he available?
Yes. So Yatharth, are you going
I'll
with?
go with Markande.
Okay. So Rivanshu, do you want to play now or do you want to wait?
Yeah, wait.
Okay. So Vaibhav, you are next.
Is Abhishek Sharma available?
Yes.
Okay, nice.
Okay.
Man, I was about to take him.
So your Indian quota is over, Vaibhav. So now next is Anuj.
Hanuma Vihari.
Okay. So probably you have one slot for.
So can I now go for it?
Yeah, sure.
So I have all my slots filled. So I think I'll give chance to Chiteshwar Pujara. Clap, guys.
Nice.
Nice.
So next is Varun.
Arjun Tendulkar.
Yeah, damn it.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, Varun. So you are building Sunrisers Indians here. So next is Sanjay.
Is Vishnu Solanki taken?
Yes.
Pradeep Sangwan.
So pardon?
Pradeep Sangwan.
Okay.
I think he has retired.
No, he's still playing.
No, Pradeep Sangwan doesn't play.
No, he played in the domestic season this time.
Yeah, he plays, yeah. He plays for Delhi.
Pradeep Sangwan for Delhi.
He's the captain, man. So next is so after Nikhil. So Nikhil, did you get chance?
No, I did not get chance this round. Guys, can you suggest me of overseas batsmen?
You can go for Kimo Paul.
You can go for DM.
Cornwall.
You can go for even
Roman
You can go
Lawrence.
for Ryan Tennis Carter.
Even
You
Lewis.
can go for Ryan Tennis Carter from Netherlands if he is available.
He's
Peter
retired.
Hanscom.
No, I
Hanscom.
got one name.
Ross
No, I
Taylor
got
is still
one name.
available.
Lendl Simmons.
Usman
Lendl
Khwaja,
Simmons.
you can
Lendl
go for.
Simmons.
You can go for Usman Khwaja.
I'm taking Lendl Simmons.
Nice. Okay, so the Naman you have to pick.
Is Natarajan left? I don't think so.
No.
Kulkarni.
Dhawal Kulkarni.
Nice.
So now we are moving to last round. So anyone wants to try their luck and wants to use
I'll use the Joker card.
Oh, Romit, man, I feel very sorry for you. Romit and Yatharth. Anyone else?
I'll use it again.
Okay, Romit, Yatharth, and Sanjay. So, yeah, Yatharth, it's your chance. So, you want to use against?
Can I quit this Joker card?
Yeah, definitely. So now we have Romit and Sanjay left. So yeah, Sanjay, you can play. So you can play against.
Again, I'll go for Anuj.
अरे यार नहीं यार.
Come on, man. You could have used it against Yatharth. So now
is it the last round?
Yeah, this is the last round. You are playing against Anuj, so it's just 2 points difference. So Anuj will get benefited from 7th to 5th. So Yatharth.
Thank you, Sanjay.
Yeah, Yatharth, you are the first guy to start. So imagine if you would have used the Joker card.
So I am picking Robin Thapa.
Nice.
Yeah, Robin Uthappa. Yeah, okay. So Nikhil, you're next.
Well, I'm gonna take Kamlesh Nagarkoti.
Nice. So next is Ashish.
R. Sai Kishore.
Nice one, man. So next in line is Varun.
Okay, guys, give me your opinion. Basil Thampi or Ishan Porel?
Basil Thampi.
Porel is taken.
I will go with Basil Thampi.
Okay, Basil Thampi.
Okay. So next is Anuj.
Mahipal Lomrod.
Nice one, man. So next is Romit.
Jayant Yadav.
Nice.
And now Sanjay.
I'll go for Shams Mulani.
Nice. So next is Revanshu.
Kamlesh Nagarkoti.
Yeah, he's not available.
Taken.
Varun Aaron.
Sandeep Varial.
Okay, nice. So Naman.
Can you suggest any Indian batsman?
Indian batsman.
Sachin Baby बचा है. Sarfaraz Khan.
Vijay
Sarfaraz Khan.
Sachin Baby तो ले लिया.
Sarfaraz Khan.
Okay, I will go with Sarfaraz.
Okay, so probably we will see one last overseas pick from Vaibhav.
Yeah.
You can take Liam Livingstone.
No. I have my player. So I wanted to take Kesrick Williams just to mess up with Virat Kohli. Or I wanted to take Santha Kumar and Srishant because we all wanted to make him see a comeback.
Yes.
But क्योंकि मेरे Indian slot चले गए and I heard कि एक backup wicketkeeper होना चाहिए, so Matthew Wade.
Yes.
Nice.
Yeah, good. Even Alex Carey was there, but अच्छा था.
Matthew Wade is much better.
Yeah.
So yeah, Vijay Shankar is unsold.
Congrats.
Varun must be very sad.
Yeah. Okay.
I'm sad that Chennai Stingers did not buy Vijay Shankar.